Pedders are the experts at understanding the effects of weight on a vehicle. Let's have a look at why weight matters. There's lots to consider when choosing a vehicle and caravan. The most critical factor, payload, or the amount you can legally carry. Adding accessories to utes and caravans is an increasing trend, but the amount of weight you can add is specific to the vehicle. Let's start with a dual cab ute. After you add a body, bull bar, winch, tow bar, roof rack, toolkit, the available payload is rapidly reduced. How about a caravan? It will need water tanks, spare tyres, gas bottles, aircon, TV, obviously need some beers in the fridge, some bedding, and maybe some extra beers just in case. Throw on a bike rack and you could be dangerously overloaded, maybe even outside legal compliance. So when deciding on a vehicle or caravan, it pays to check for payload.